Welcome to the fourth video of our gardening series. In our gardening series, we will be going over step by step how to start and take care of a garden. Make sure to follow the Urban Garden Initiative on YouTube to stay tuned for all of our gardening videos. Today, we will be going over the gardening equipment you should have. Now it's time to gather your gardening equipment. Some gardening tools you should have include a gardening shovel, a garden hoe, an aerator tool, pruning shears, gloves, and a watering can or a watering system. Starting with a garden shovel, they can be used to dig holes into the soil and to move loose materials like excess soil and snow. There are different types of garden shovels, including garden spades, garden scoops, and trowels, which all have different purposes, but starting off with at least a basic garden shovel is important to ensure your garden success. Next, we have a garden hoe. A hoe is a hand tool used to cultivate the soil and remove weeds. There are different types of hoes, like draw hoes, Warren hoes, scuffle hoes, and collinear hoes. A draw hoe is the most basic type of hoe and is intended for chopping sod and digging or tilling soil. Here, you can see a Warren hoe. These are used to dig narrow furrows, shallow trenches, or other tight spaces for planting bulbs or seeds. Before we go into the next tool, let's cover what aeration is. Aeration involves perforating the soil with small holes to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate the roots, which help the roots grow deeply. An aerator tool can help you do just that, as you can see here. Pruning shears are used to cut away dead or overgrown branches or stems. This is important to ensure the health of the rest of your garden by getting rid of plant parts that may be taking up nutrients from the rest of your garden. When it comes to gardening, it's important to make sure that you're wearing gloves at all times to protect your hands from any cuts or scrapes that you may get while caring for your plants. The last item is to have a watering can or watering system set up. Depending on how robust your garden is, you can choose to water your plants by hand or set up an irrigation system to ensure that your plants get all the water they need. With this information, you can start thinking about testing and building your soil, which we will be covering in the next video. Thanks for watching!